Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Professor T-Rex, and in this video, I'm just going to share with you some information and some of my experiences with the NFT game na blockchain, Cuties. Okay, so let's start. And so ito yung aking account ng blockchain Cuties. Meron na siyang play to earn na feature. Okay. So dito guys, yung mangyayari, of course, gagawa ka ng account mo, i-connect mo siya sa iyong Tron link. Okay? Hindi sa MetaMask kasi hindi supported in MetaMask si Tron. So you have to really create your account in Tron link. So yung gagamitin mong token or coin dito will be the Tron or the TRX. You can also use naman Ethereum, EOS, NEO, and Matic. Pero sa akin, I would go for Tron na lang, no? Mas siya, mas convenience siya for me and mas mura din si Tron. So magkano ba si Tron ngayon? Ayan, nasa 2.88 pesos lang naman siya. Okay? And then, yung mangyayari dito guys, as you sign up, you will get a free cutie or you will get a free pet. So ito yung aking free na pet. No? And then, with this free na pet, you can start playing na sa adventures. No? You just have to send your pet to an adventure. And then after clicking adventure, mag-wait ka lang ng ilang seconds, tapos meron nang magpa-pop up either your pet won in the adventure or lost in the adventure. So every time na manalo siya sa isang adventure, magle-level up yung inyong pet at the same time, magkakaroon ka ng TRX sa iyong Tron link na wallet. If ever Tron ha yung gagamitin mo. So magre-reflect doon yung reward mo sa iyong Tron wallet. Alright? And then, in the adventures guys, may tendency na makakuha ka ng items. So pwedeng, ano ba yung mga items na nakuha ko? May kwintas, merong mga potion, ayan. Click here to select. So, in my adventures, ito yung mga nakuha ko. Merong bracelet, merong t-shirt, ayan, merong potion, at saka meron din akong ginamit na necklace. Ayan. So, that's the beauty, no? During the adventures, you will get free items that you can use, no, as an advantage for your pets when they are in the battlefield. Okay? So, you can start na, no, without buying any pets. Meron kasi silang free na pet na ibibigay sa'yo to start the game. And then, if you have your Tron with you, kung afford mo naman, you can buy pets in the marketplace. Ayan. So, merong, let's say, Tron yung gamit natin. Ayan. Para ma-filter niya yung pets na lalabas. Ang maganda dito, guys, you can sell your pets if you don't want them anymore. Ayan, meron dito 98 Tron. So that's around magkano ba? Mga 240 pesos. Ayan. May 70 pesos na Tron. That's level 1, level 4, 84. Ayan. So if you don't want to sell your pets, you can also do siring. No, ano tong siring? Yung gagamitin mo siya as pang breeding lang. Okay, ipapahiram mo siya. So if you cannot let go of your pet, you can just do siring, no? Or sire market. Lagay mo siya sa sire market. Ayan. Ayan. So punta tayo sa ready for adventure. Ayan. So pwede mo siyang i-click lang. Ito, let's say, ito siya. Send on an adventure. Then send selected. Ayan, no? The snowy mountain. Ayan. Pwede sa magical forest or sa desert. So it's all up to you kung saan mo siya isi-send. Okay? So, meron siyang ganito, guys. Papakita ko lang sa inyo. Powerless siya nakalagay, no? So, kung powerless, 2 days pa before siya makapunta sa adventure. 2 days for my pet to cool down and to be able to go to an adventure. So, ang mangyayari dito, guys, kung isi-send mo ng isi-send yung iyong pets doon sa adventures, hahaba ng hahaba yung kanilang cooldown time. Okay? So, ito siya, nagsimula siya at 1 minute. Tapos, after sending sa adventure, 2 minutes na yung kanyang cooling down until nag 5 minutes. Until ngayon, nilalaro ko kasi siya 2 days na. So, matagal na siya, no, bago mo siya masend ulit sa adventure. So, yan na yung pinaka-last niya, 2 days. So, better, marami kang pets para ilang beses ka rin makalaro. Kasi kung isa lang, you really have to wait up to 2 days, no? before you can send another pet to an adventure and earn another tokens in return. Ayan. So, ito siya, powerless din. So, puros na siya powerless. And so, kung bibili kayo sa marketplace, you have to check ito siya ha, itong cooldowns nila. Mas maganda kapag iron light pa. Okay? And ito siya yung breeding cooldowns nila. Yan, fast yung sa akin. May swift, quick, and then pinakamatagal din yung 8 days, which is snail-like. Alright? So, yan lang yung medyo disadvantage kasi maghihintay ka pa ng days, no, or hours before you can send them again to adventures and earn another tokens nila. And also, guys, I would like to add, whenever you sell your pets, let's say, no, ito siya. I-sell natin siya. Sana yun. Ito tayo sa my cuties. Ayan. Let's say ito. Isi-sell mo. Yan. Cutie Kitty will be placed for adoption. Cutie auctions can go up or down in price, and when time expires, the price stops moving. You must cancel the auction for it to end, at which point your cutie is returned to your litter. So, kung magbebenta ka, guys, ayan, no, meron siyang starting price na tron and ilang days. Kung i-create auction mo siya, you have to pay. May babayaran kang tron. I guess nasa 45. Ayan, no, 25.2 TRX yung price ng pagbenta mo ng pet sa kanilang marketplace. So, kung ang duration mo is only 3 days tapos hindi siya nabili, so, lugi ka ng 25 TRX. So, maganda, lagay mo dito 1 year. Grabe sa isang year, no? Hindi mo talaga siya mabenta. So, para hindi ka lugi sa transaction fee. So, yan lang, meron siyang transaction fee. How about if we do the siring? Yan, magkano naman ang fee kapag siring? Yan. Kung isa-sire natin siya, guys, yung transaction fee naman is 21 TRX. So, ganun pa rin. No? You have to make sure na hindi ka malulugi doon sa transaction fee. Paano naman kung mag-breed? Ayan, i-breed natin siya. Ayan, breed, let's say, ito yung gusto kong i-breed with him. Breed. So, ayan, it will require you 42 TRX. So, same lang sa may DeFi pet, meron din siyang nire-require na token, no, for you to do breeding. So, ito siya 42 TRX, so around nasa 110 or 120 pesos. Pwede mo rin naman siyang i-gift. Ayan, no, gusto mo lang siyang ibigay. So, warning, this Cutie has one or more account-bound items equipped. Such items are automatically removed from the Cutie and break when this Cutie is being sold. If not removed before manually by the player, if items breaks, you will need to repair them in the forge. So, yan yung mangyayari. Yung mga item na dinadagdag mo sa iyong Cutie, kapag binenta mo siya or binigay mo sa iba, mawawala yun. So, mapupunta siya sa repair. So, ganun siya, guys. Yan yung features ng kanilang game. No? You can sell, sire, breed, and gift. And also send on an adventure. Okay, so if you want to be updated about blockchain cuties, they have their Medium. Ayan. And then if you want them, you can just reach them sa Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Reddit, Telegram, Discord, and also they have this Medium. So, ganun lang, guys. So, if you are into cute stuffs, if you are into pets like this ones, this game is for you. Okay, so thank you so much, and I hope that this video has been informative to everyone. And if you are new to my channel, please click like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, and have a great day. Bye!